Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel Fold, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now, if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now the tray here will be located at the bottom of the device, right above the charging port, if you have it folded. So you can see it right here. Now there's a couple different holes at the bottom that you could consider to be, well, for this, but the one that you are interested in, if I can get it to focus, is the one that is part of this cutout right here. So pushing it in, you'll see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for just a single SIM card. On the other side you have nothing. Place the card on the tray, just make sure it clips into place. It should not be protruding anywhere from this tray, so it should be laying perfectly flush on it. And from there, insert it back into your device with the chip side upwards. And that's it. The card should start working right away, or after like a couple seconds. For me, it won't actually show up because this card is deactivated, but I should be able to show you that I can import contacts from it, which will imply that obviously it is being detected by the device and the contacts are being pulled from it. Give it a second. Come on. There we go. So I just pulled up all the contacts. It took it a moment. I can't import any of them because they all exist on the phone or on the Google account, but on the phone they don't. So there we go. So you can see that the card is working without any need to do anything extra. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.